Yeah, finally I'm done. My pork humba. Tingnan nga natin. Wow. Wow, it's so yummy. My pork humba. Nice one. Hi everyone! Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video, gagawa tayo ng humba. Ingredients, pork, black beans, soy sauce, pineapple juice, garlic and onions, and bay leaves, vinegar, and sugar. Okay? Okay, let's start. First, we will put cooking oil in the pot, and after that, ilagay natin yung pork. And then, hintayin natin mag-brown siya. So, hintayin natin mag-brown ang pork. Okay. So, once ma-brown ang pork, ilagay na natin ang garlic at onion. Okay. So, nilagay na natin ang garlic at onion. Next is maglagay na tayo ng soy sauce. And then peppercorn. Wala ko yung malaki na peppercorn. And after that, let's put pineapple. And then, i-steamer lang natin. Once mag-boil na siya, lagyan natin ng water. Para yung meat, matender siya. So, takpan lang natin. I already put vinegar. Let's put vinegar. Let's put vinegar, and then after that, let's put sugar and black beans. Then let's put sugar and black beans. Let's wait for 5 minutes. Yeah, finally I'm done. My pork humba. Tingnan nga natin. Wow. Wow, it's so yummy. My pork humba. Nice one.